Welcome future entrepreneurs and seasoned founders alike. Today, we're focusing on a vital aspect of your fundraising journey, the key slides that every investor expects in a pitch deck. Knowing what to include in your pitch deck is crucial for capturing investor interest and securing funding. Let's start with the introduction slide. This is your chance to make a strong first impression. Include your startup's name, mission, and what sets you apart. Think of it as your elevator pitch in slide form. Next, the problem slide. It's essential to clearly articulate the problem you're solving. This slide should resonate with the investor, demonstrating the necessity and urgency of your solution. Moving on to the solution slide. Here, present your product or service as the answer to the previously stated problem. Make it clear and compelling, showing how you uniquely solve this issue. The market opportunity slide is next. Investors are always looking for potential. Highlight the size of the market and how your solution fits into this space. This is where numbers and research speak volumes. Don't forget the business model slide. Clearly explain how you plan to make money. Detail your revenue streams, pricing strategy, and any other financial details that show profitability and sustainability. The go-to-market strategy slide is crucial. Outline how you plan to acquire customers, including marketing and sales strategies and any partnerships. This slide shows your plan of action for market entry and growth. Next, the competitive analysis slide. Display your understanding of the competition and how you differ from them. This is your chance to position yourself in the market landscape. Financials are key, so the financial slide must be clear and realistic. Include your current financial status and future projections. This transparency builds trust and credibility with investors. Your team slide is about the people behind the idea. Highlight the experience and strengths of your team. Investors often bet on the team as much as the idea, so make this slide impactful. Finally, the ask slide. Be clear about what you're asking for and how the funds will be used. Specificity here shows preparation and seriousness about your venture. Remember, each of these slides is a chapter in your startup story. They collectively form a narrative that should captivate, convince, and convert interest into investment. Let's make your pitch deck not just good, but great, and turn those investor meetings into successful funding rounds.